Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Euclid Mining. So we're down in Crazytown today, and yeah, it is still pretty quiet down here. I dare say a bit depressing. Maybe that's a little too far, but definitely makes me sad to look at all this stuff and not have it running right now. Not profitable. The Z11s, I was checking them the other day, and they were like -2 cents. It was so close. I almost wanted just to plug them in just to. But unfortunately, that's it. But you know what I told you before, in my spare time, I've been watching videos and reading about how to prepare ASICs. And I'll tell you, there is a wealth of knowledge out there if you take the time to look into it. And I'm excited because I think I'm at the point now where, you know how they say you know enough to be dangerous. Well, I think I'm there. I think I am dangerous enough to mess around with these. But I think maybe another week or two of watching some videos and doing a lot more reading, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of those L3 pluses that I got that wasn't working. And I'm going to go ahead and see which one of those boards might be the contestant for the trial run. Now, I'm not buying all the equipment that you need to do all the repairs because some of it's a little expensive. So I'm going to buy the bare minimum just to get started and fool around with that one board and see if I can get a pulse out of it. I guess the next thing I have to do is figure out where to buy ASIC chips. So I've been actually looking at some other miners that are for sale that are broken, selling for parts. And maybe on some of those boards, I'd be able to harvest a couple chips. So we'll see. Anyway, I'm trying to stay busy. I'd love to know what you're doing. Do you have any of your machines running? As you can see, none of mine, even that T17 is down. Really not profitable. So I'd love to know what you're doing and what you're doing with your spare time. Are you staying positive? Are you keeping chin up? Because you got it right now. That's really all I could say. It is, it's a bit much to look at the numbers every day and see the volatility and just where we are. But it's also, not financial advice, but not a bad time to start thinking about some maybe long-term investments. We may be in this for another month, 6 months, or another year or longer. Hopefully not. And, when those things go back up and when it shoots up, boy, oh boy, like me last time, you'll wish that you were in it earlier. So, all right, y'all, we'll probably have a video coming up in a little bit when I really start messing with that ASIC, probably another 2 weeks, and I'll put a video up. But I got to get a little equipment and start setting up a little workbench for it down here. Probably set something up right over here. I'm not exactly sure. Got to get some stuff. So, I'm going to start messing around with it. I'm kind of excited to do that. I think it'd be a lot of fun and very cool. So we'll see. Anyway, comments down below. I want to know what you're doing to keep your spirits high. Are you mining anything right now? You got your ASICs running anywhere? I know my GPUs are banging away, but that's about all I got going right now. It's just the GPUs. So anyway, I appreciate you checking in. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate those. They certainly help the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely hit the button. I'll catch you all next time.